I don't think we're going to make it.
We should be making it. Where are we heading to?
St. Petersburg tour. Super late. It's 10:25. We should be there by 10:45. It's a cold morning in Petersburg. We've just come for our red umbrella tour. And I think we just made it. Shaman, did it say where exactly?
This pillar.
This pillar. Is that a red umbrella? Yeah.
Is this the Petersburg walking tour?
It is, yes.
Yes. First mission accomplished.
Hello, good morning. How are
Hello.
you? By the Gulf of Finland, which earlier had been conquered by Sweden, interestingly. So there was this war called the Great Northern War that he had to fight.
Finns det några snälla barn här?
Raman, where are we going? Everyone here seems to be used to the weather, so they're walking around super glamorously, in like minimal winter clothes, and we're all bugged up.
Making a Christmas memory.
I guess one reason for that was because Germany wasn't one country back in the day. It was like a number of principalities, so they had a lot of princesses to choose from.
What did you order?
Cappuccino.
Making a Christmas memory.
Why are you filming?
Say that again.
Nevsky Prospect is like the
Nevsky.
Nevsky Prospect is like the Istiklal of Istanbul. It's the street that doesn't sleep because there's so many cafes and restaurants and people all through the night.
Okay, so let's continue. We're going to see one more palace and two more churches here. The oldest surviving building. You see that arch? So that is the kind of the flip side of the general style building.
We are at the church of
Saviour and spilled blood.
it's some spilled blood on the something.
Saviour on the spilled blood.
Saviour on the spilled blood.
It's called
the
that.
reason it's called that is because one of the Tsars, Alexander the Third or the Second?
Second.
Alexander the Second was attacked by terrorists. It was like that.
Not terrorists, revolutionaries.
Revolutionaries who were the terrorists then, and they bombed his carriage, but the carriage was bulletproof and he was safe. But then he got out of the carriage, which was a bad move, and the revolutionaries threw a bomb at him, and then he died. He was one of the more liberal Tsars, and he was trying to bring in more reform to make Russia more secular, so to speak. Secular, right?
I guess.
Something on
Westernized.
those lines. westernized. So his son, Alexander III, who was more conservative, then built this church in its place, and that's why it's called Saviour on the spilled blood.
Hi. 4 tickets.
It's built in a Russian Orthodox style, which means that there are no pews. You just have the floor space, and the altar happens to be a door, which is again gilded in gold and has this intricate, detailing on it. The walls are fully covered in mosaics, like so many mosaics. Like I don't think there's an inch of wall which is spared, and that explains why it took over 25 years to complete this masterpiece. Look for Russian
Vegan.
fast food.
There's a better Teremok, 850 meters. Can we go to this? It has higher rating. The other one is very not that great rating.
Okay,
Teremok,
cool.
47 people have rated us.
Okay. Yeah.
850 meters. Okay.
Good directions.
Some Russian food, Russian
Cuisine.
Hopefully get some vegetarian food. I want to have that Borscht, but vegetarian Borscht.
It's a beetroot something, no? Love the enthusiasm, boy. There's Freddie Mercury.
I'm not sure I understand it, but everything.
We are at this Russian fast food chain called as Teremok. They seem to have some kind of vegetarian option. Let's see what they have. So we're here for lunch.
All my worries disappear. Yeah, it's all because of you. I feel the way I do. You make my dreams come true. Yeah.
Plates clean. Russian pancakes and Russian borscht. Check. Where are we headed?
We headed for the canal door. Now we are at the Nevsky Prospect metro station. And we have to take 2 trains to get to Admiralskaya.
Admiralteyskaya.
Admiralteyskaya.
What a wow.
Headed to the canal tour, which is going to start next to the banks of the river Neva. A 5-minute walk from there. We just came out of one of the deepest underground stations at Admiralteyskaya. It's about 86 meters deep, and there's some amazing live music going on behind.
the canal tour.
We just got over.
So, Shaman, what's your verdict?
It was good, but I thought it was a bit lengthy. And I was expecting it to go into the city, which was the wrong canal ride.
Back to the metro?
Plan is to go and get some groceries today and make some dinner for ourselves. My dad's friends already made plans to make lemon rice. Let's hope that we get all the right ingredients. He was asking me today if we'll get mustard here. Hope the place looks like it. How has today been?
Today has been awesome. It's all good.
Awesome.
Not focusing, focus.